Aloha, it's Samana with Soul to Skin Renovations. I'm telling you about my next exciting lash extension workshop. Those of you cosmetologists and estheticians that want to make a fortune for the holidays. I'm telling you, I started teaching it because I've seen so many people that don't know how to do it, and they're charging between $80 and $350, and it looks like an orangutan slapped on those lashes. So there is a correct way and an ethical way to apply them where you're not going to cause irritation and inflammation. We have an intake sheet to see what's happening before. There's specific questions we want to ask before we actually do a client. Don't say yes to everybody. It's a setup for failure. You want to be fair to the client and yourself. So we're going to know what those questions are. I'm also going to talk about contraindications, things that are not at all beneficial for that client to have lashes even if they want them. Maybe we'll give them other suggestions. But once they're our client, they're going to love us and stay with us because we tell them the truth, because they know they can trust us, because we're not going to do it just because we make a lot of money. I do the workshop about every 3 months, and with it I offer a wonderful little certificate here. So also for those of you licensed, I am licensed with the state of Texas to give continuing education hours. It's worth 5.6 hours, so every other year when you need to renew your license and get your continuing ed, just screenshot that, my number, provider number, and the course number is on that. We only need 4 hours, and that's 5.6. The course costs $400. That includes a kit. This is your little kit, and I'll show you what's in it. So it comes with this wonderful little thing, nice and handy, has a little key. It comes with, for students, it comes with this glue, which is a high-end glue. It's a 4 to 5 second bond, which you actually need initially just for the choice of isolation and applying. So I will later show you in the course, of course, a 1 second glue that's heaven that I get on Amazon that you'll love, and it's cheaper. This is $80 for this glue, but it's very good. It also comes with these little cleaners to help with removal and cleaning the lashes. These little things that help to put your glue in. It comes with a nifty lash curler. So for those with straight lashes, this comes with you will need a AAA battery, but it curls the lashes, makes it way easier. It also comes with some false lashes and a mannequin. So during the class, we actually I have a couple people assisting me where you are gonna do lashes on a live demo so that you get used to that. But many of my graduates, my students, when they first start, they're like too nervous and they just want to learn the technique. So we have them do mannequins, and I give them more than you get in your kit. I give them a better pair of lashes that are easier to apply. And then once you do a full set and we see that it's the proper distance, everything is wonderful, and then you take them off because the certificate is application and removal of lashes, then we will send you home and with your happy certificate. So also it comes with these wonderful hydrating eye pads that are great. And then it comes with these different, we have C curl and B curl, and I'll tell you about the different curls and who you want for what. Now this is enough for 20 to 40 full sets. I know that's a big difference, but we're basically using an average of 75 per eye. And then it will also be enough to do fill-in. So your $400 investment in yourself, you will make that back immediately. So contact me, Samana at spaluna, spaluna.com, or, and that's SAMANA, or you can contact me through my website, spaluna.com, or contact me on Facebook or however, and aloha, and I can't wait to see you. Wait, when was the workshop? This next one is December 3rd on a Monday, and we will start at 9:30, and again, it's about 5.5 to 6 hours. Aloha.